Red light. Green light. Hi, I'm William Wehrli, and I'm excited to apply for Squid Game, The Challenge Season 2. I'm an adult with autism, and I hold a master's degree in special education. Now, as a content creator, I showcase how I thrive independently as an autistic individual and educate others about autism. Now, why do I want to be on Squid Game, The Challenge? Well, because I believe it would be a fantastic platform to raise autism awareness and demonstrate that individuals with autism can excel in any situation. The competition's unpredictable nature and intense challenges are exactly the kind of tests that I love to take on. My game plan is to build strong alliances while staying adaptable and observant. Trust is crucial, but I'll always be prepared for the unexpected. My strategy is to balance cooperation with calculated risks, ensuring that I'm ready to outmaneuver any surprise. If I win the $4.56 million, it would be life-changing. I'd use part of it to pay off my student loans and car payments, buy a house, and support my family. Additionally, I'd fund an organization dedicated to helping those with autism and pursue my dream goal of becoming an actor. I'm ready to dive into this incredible adventure and give it my all. Thank you for considering my application, and I hope to see you in the Squid Game arena.